Hi, my name's Ryan Campbell. I've been designing cars for Nissan Design America for 13 years. Since we're all home these days, I find myself watching a lot of movies. A lot of my inspiration comes from 80s sci-fi movies like Blade Runner and Star Wars. Drawing cars is a great way to relax for me. I start off always with drawing the wheels first. It kind of helps get the basic proportion of the car. Next, I'll draw that outline of the vehicle very lightly with a pen. It's okay if you make mistakes here. You're always going to just darken it in later, so don't worry about making wild lines. Once you have the basic outline of the vehicle, then you can start to add the details, like the grille, the headlights, what the side of the car is going to look like, some wheel details, emblems. Then it's time to start adding some color. A lot of times when I'm drawing, I'll put the car in an environment. In this case, I drew a cool modern home to go along with this Infinity concept car. Alright, thanks everyone. Stay safe, have fun, and draw.